Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to solve a worksheet based on chapter number 9, Mangoes and Guavas. This is worksheet number 2, children. Kindly write your name, class, section and roll number. Question number 1. Circle the correct pronoun. Now you have to see the picture and circle the pronouns. Before we start, first let us revise what are pronouns. Now what are pronouns, children? The words which are used in place of nouns. For example, I, we, you, they, he, said, his, she, it. All these are pronouns, isn't it? Now, a word we use in place of a noun. Remember, a word we use in place of a noun is called a pronoun. And all these are pronouns, okay? I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Then, for like here, you are a nice man. So you is used for a man over here. Okay. Then you are good students. For singular also you is used. For plural also you is used. When you talk about your own self, when you are speaking about your own self, you use the pronoun I. Okay. When you talk about somebody else and it's only one, you talk about a man, use the word he, his. Okay. My uncle is very nice. He goes to office. He is punctual. He and his. This is his bag. His is also a pronoun used for boys, men. Then for ladies, for girls, for females, we use the pronoun she, her. Okay, she and her. My mother is very sweet. She cooks tasty food. She loves me very much. Okay, so she is used for girls. And for things and objects, we use for animals, things, objects, trees, we use it. Okay, the cat is small. It is very cute. This is singular. The bag is full. It is pink in color. This is also singular. Now here, the park is big. It is very beautiful. So this is also singular. Okay. So like this, pronouns are used. For boy, we use he and his. For girls or ladies or women, we use she and her. And for other things like animals, trees and objects, we use it. Okay. And we are talking about our own self, so we use the pronoun I. When you're talking about somebody else, if that is only one person, you will say he. Okay. He or she. And if you're talking about many people and you are not in their group, you will say they. If you're talking of many people and you are also a part of that group, so then you say we. Okay, so we have already studied all these things. So now let us proceed to continue with our worksheet number 2. Now here it says circle the correct pronoun. Now here you see the picture, children. Okay. Yes. Question number 1. Now you see the picture. It is a boy. Okay. So now what will you use for him? He is throwing them if in the dustbin. Now what is he throwing? Let us see. He is throwing it. So we will circle it. He is throwing it in the dustbin. Okay. Then the next one. Now he, she or they is talking on the phone. So who is this? He or she? She. So circle she. Okay. Now he, she, it is carrying her bag. He is carrying. Now you see this boy is carrying. Okay. So you will write he is carrying her bag. Whose bag? This auntie's. This man, this boy is carrying this lady's bag. Okay. So that is why we have written he is carrying her bag. Okay. Then next one is now you see this picture also. Now she is smiling. Okay. Now she is smiling at I, them and her. So she is smiling at I is also wrong. She is smiling at them is also wrong. One second. How many are there? She is smiling at her. Okay. So we will circle her. So children, this is done. Okay, question number 1. Now let us go to question number 2. Underline the pronouns in the passage given below. Pronouns, remember, the words used in place of nouns. Okay. One day Perumal went to the town. He wanted to sell mangoes. The mangoes were delicious. He gave the mangoes to an old woman. She threw one mango away because it was rotten. Then she paid the money to Perumal and he went home. He was very happy. Okay, now let us see where are the pronouns. So one day Perumal went to the market. He, what is it saying? Underline or circle? Underline. Okay, so we will underline. He wanted to sell the mangoes. The mangoes were delicious. He gave the mangoes to an old woman. Now what is she used for? She is used for old woman. Okay. She threw one mango because it means the mango was rotten. Then she means the lady paid Perumal and he went home. He means Perumal went home. He was very happy. Again Perumal. Okay. So we have underlined all the pronouns. Now next question is question number 3. Rewrite the sentences using correct pronouns. Sara and Meera are good friends. Now children, I will only circle and then we will write it. I will show you. Rewrite means what? You have to write it again. Okay. Sara and Meera are good friends. We or they go to the same school. Now we means what? We cannot use the word we. Why? Because the word I should have been there. Na? Sara and I. Had it been written like this, so we would have written we. But since I is not there, so we will use they. They go to the same school. Okay. So we will combine it and write it over here the same way using they. Gopal helps everyone. He or it is a helpful boy. Okay. So Gopal helps everyone. We will use he. Why? Because he's a boy. It cannot be used. It is used for animals, birds, trees and objects. Okay. Then next one. Komal likes to eat fruits. She or we likes apples the most. Okay. Komal likes to eat fruits. Now we are talking of only one Komal. Okay. So here she. So we will use she and we will cut V. Rahul is talking to Rani. He or she loves to play the guitar with him or her. Rahul is talking to Rani. He loves to play guitar with her. Okay. So now let us see these answers. I have written them. I will show you the answers also, children. 1 second. Here are the answers. Kindly see. Okay. Now after this we will go to the next question. Now here question number 4. It says read the words and color the toffees using the color code. Pronouns red, others blue. Okay. So pronouns red. So first let us take red color. Okay, so you is a pronoun, so we will circle you. Try not to circle the word. Sam is not a pronoun, Sam is a proper noun. Okay, she is a pronoun. Run is not a pronoun. Book is not a pronoun. I is a pronoun. Me is a pronoun. Dog is not a pronoun. Him is a pronoun. They is a pronoun. Jump is not a pronoun, it is an action word. Bed is a noun. He is a pronoun. Fish is a noun. Park or fork. Fork is a noun. Hat is a noun. Okay, so now you can check the answers also and others. Now we have colored it red. Now you can take blue and colors everything blue, whatever is not done. Okay. So it will be like this: blue, red, blue, red, blue, blue, red, red, blue, red, red, blue, blue. Then it will be red, blue, blue, blue. Okay. So like this you will color it. See that you don't color the word. Okay, children. So that's it. So you complete your work, children. Okay. The answers to the worksheets are here. This is the first question. This is the second question. And this is question number 3. Okay. Question number 4 we did just now. So that's it, children. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye-bye.